Going to flip the strap on this beautiful Bulova Marine Star, and it's got, maybe it is a mean star. It's got a nice silicone strap on it right now. It's red inside. It says Bulova. Picture of a little bit of a whale there, I think. I just wanted to see what this would look like for extra bling on a rose gold strap. So this is kind of what it looks like right now. Looks really nice, great contrast. But what will it look like on this strap here? So I'm going to just take this, the straps off the end here and have a look at it. I'm going to try to do this with same device I use for removing hands to see if that helps, because these are sometimes very tricky to remove and sometimes they're not. There we go. And I'm also going to reuse the pins if I can on this strap. So I also have to figure out the direction that the strap needs to go. So the good thing about these little hand movers are that see how easy that is that they've got a groove on them on the very top. So they're used for removing hands, but I think they're also used for removing straps. I'm not sure. Dual purpose. So there's the new strap. I purchased that in China from AliExpress. It's cheap as you know what, and it just does this, snaps over the top. It's got the shark mesh on it. It is stainless steel, so it's, I believe this is all stainless steel too. So now I got to determine the direction that I want this strap to open. So if I've got it on my wrist, do I want to open it like that and open it like this, or do I want to open it this way like that and then open it like this? This is normally, I think, the way it should go, which means the watch will be on my hand this way, which means the strap has to go on this way. So that's a quick way of doing it. So now let's see if I can easily put this back in. And I don't know whether this tool works just as good for putting it in as it does for taking it out, but let me try it out here. Again, showing all the fubbles and crap I do online so that you can see that I'm human. There we go. That's one side there, and then the other side needs to tuck in there, so I can move that like this time, I think. Did I use the old one? I can't remember. I don't think I did. I think I used a new one. That's no good. I want to use the thicker ones because they're made for this watch, right? So I sometimes use my fingernail and just push it in like that and get it caught, and then push a little further, and that works and doesn't work. It's that's a working one. So gotta find the hole. Come on. You just have to jog it around until it finds the hole. It's having a problem finding the hole. It's out a little bit, like that direction, and down a little bit. There we go. So that found the hole there. I think this one was the thinner one. Let me take this one out and see if I can replace this with a better one. Of course, I'm having a hard time grabbing this one because it's not as good a link as the other one was. So I'll cut the video so you don't have to watch me. Alright, I've got the new one in there. It wasn't that bad actually. So, and I think I can just tuck this in, like I said, like I did the other one using my fingernail. If I can't, then I can't. I might want to use the other device because it might be a little easier to tuck it in that way. Oh, there we go. So it's tucked in. And this is a rose gold. It didn't cost a lot of money. It's not real gold. If I close that down, that's what it looks like. That's a lot of bling for one arm, right? So you're likely to get stopped or looked at. If you're in a meeting and you're wearing this, they're going to think that you're a rapper. So the next thing to do is to size it. So two little buttons there to open it up. It's not bad quality actually, considering its cost. So I don't think there's many options on sizing this. I think what I need to do, I'll shift it over here and see if that helps. But I think other than that, the sizing is going to be very difficult. So that should just push down and move over. Maybe we'll size that later and not worry about that now. There we go. So that's moved over a bit, and I just moved the other side over. I think I have too big a screwdriver to do this. That's the problem. So that's in that hole now, and I think I want to move it over to the third hole. So that's moved over another one, and I'll move that one more, and just do that, and then push it, and then do this, and then push it a bit like that. Try to keep the angle. That one went back in. It's not too difficult. And there has to be other sizing options for this that I have to look up, like how to remove a link or something, right? Let me see, that's good there. No, it's not good yet. It's got to go in more. And because it's mesh, it's a little trickier. Come on, get in there. There we go, that one's in. And this one needs to get in too. And that one's in. So there we go, that's all in. And hopefully there's a better sizing than that, because it's fairly loose. Let's see if that gives me that's a bit better. It's a bit loose there, but it's kind of gangster loose. Call that gangster loose. So there we go. So it's sized. It's a bit loose there, but not too bad. And I'll see if there's any other options for sizing. There might not be. So you got to make sure you get the right size. If you get small wrists, I think you're screwed. Large wrists, you're okay. So that's that. So this watch now has a rose gold band on it. It looks pretty blingy. I don't think I'll be able to wear this to work because it's just too loud. But the rose gold matches perfectly on the Bulova rose gold. It's a great match. So shine this thing up here a bit. And there we go. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous watch. Thank you very much for watching. This is a quick Christmas Day video. I gotta go downstairs and watch some cool movies.